Look what's happening, boys and girls. We're here on Blount's Lancia. Also, Bernsey, that's what else you could do too, which will actually give you better access to getting the wiring out. We're gonna have the wiring come out, but all the AC is going out and not coming back. So that can all come out, get disconnected, pull all that out. Okay. And that right there will save us, that gets you a lot of room. And then I gotta get the, the bypass for that.
Yeah.
And then that makes our upper hose easier too.
Instead of doing that wiggy waggy?
Yeah, wiggy waggy. So we gotta do that. Get all that off. And then start wiring, sir. But look, progress! Finally, we're on to the Lancia. Yay! So what you got so far, Bernsey? I see the compressor's gone.
Got the compressor's gone. I got a couple lines gone. Getting ready to go in the cabin.
Look at you!
Figure out what I need to undo from inside. Get the dryer off.
Get the dryer out.
And then I can start working on this wiring.
Get all this out. Yeah, look at, we got that halfway done for you already.
I see that. Kind of.
Yeah, just pull out wiring.
Just gonna keep on tinkering.
Andre's back too! Andre, wave! Yay, Andre's here! The gang's all here.
It's good to be back.
Yeah.
Not in southern states of the United States.
Andre's still hobbling, but he's good. All right, so carry on, Mr. Bernsey.
Looks like a Chevy.
It is Chevy. Hang on.
4.3.
I just saw a post of it. It said 4.3 Vortec. The fuel economy of a V8 and the power of a 4-cylinder.
Basically.
And my buddy's got a GMC with a 4.3.
This thing's gonna be really nice when it's done. All right, plugging away. Carry on, Bernsey.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
What do we got, sir?
Just trying to whack away this melted.
Melty wiring.
Yes, sir.
How's our light wiring? You were gonna.
That was good. I left probably a good amount.
You're gonna leave me. You said you were gonna leave me some leads.
Yep.
That works because then I can work with that.
Yep.
This is part of the wiring for the light switch. I think this can be. You could probably just trim this here because it gets back here to where it was melty.
So maybe I should just...
Actually, if none of the light stuff is melty, leave it be for now, because maybe we'll tie into it. You know what I mean? When we do the harness.
Okay, so you want me right now just leave it on this side?
Yeah, leave that be. Well, if there's anything melted, cut it out.
Okay.
Like this can all go. That's all fan crap that can go, and we're gonna redo that later.
Okay.
Fan and AC shit. Let's get it out.
So you know what I'll do? Is I'll leave this all alone.
Yeah, leave this because this is all lights. So let's leave the light stuff for now. Yeah.
And I'll just get the rest of the stuff on there.
And get all the crispy out. Get this out because we're gonna have a regular speedo cable.
Okay.
This oil pressure line we will need eventually, but leave it kind of out of your way. This is all EFI. That's all EFI. Get all that, and then you got to start going to the back and pulling out. Oh, you haven't been in the trunk yet. Sorry. Sorry.
No, it's all good.
So. Yeah, there you go. You get to figure that out.
Okay.
Yeah, have fun.
All right.
All right.
Sweet.
Sky Agro Chiropractor. We'll see you in a little bit.
What's up?
All right, so you're taking out the AC condenser, which was conveniently held in the car
By self-tappers.
Self-tappers onto a bracket that's self-tapped to the radiator, and then on the other side it was self-tapped with a bracket with a self-tapper through the front of the body, which that was then painted. That's a little on the scary side.
Yeah. And I also got little things, let the air come in and direct it into the AC condenser.
Little deflectors, I like that. Little airbox action. So we'll probably have to do a little duct work here with the radiator. We got to figure out how to mount it, because now it's going to be loosey-goosey in there, I bet. So, all right, get that condenser out, buddy.
Self-tappers on that too?
Probably. There's probably more.
Let's see. Oh, there's a transcooler. The back side.
Transcooler does need to stay.
Yeah. Probably.
You got to get
Looks
in there
like
and
just
cut those
one.
little zip tie thingies.
Oh, there's two.
Oh yeah, you can see them on the front too. There's one. Yeah, there's only two. All right, so cut those. because we'll have to figure out how to mount that. We'll probably just mount that on front of the radiator.
Yeah.
All right, so get that. Now take a look. Let me grab the radiator. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's got a big old friggin' duct in there. It's got air deflector all the way across it.
Yeah.
Are those held in with self-tappies? Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, so just unscrew them.
Oh, maybe I'll just unscrew one side and
Get it up and out. Yeah, and then we'll probably have to make an air box for this, but that's okay. It's easy enough.
I mean, that's probably the nicest part of that right now.
It'll be nice. Especially, if I make one like the race car ones.
Oh, yeah.
That'll be nice.
And I've seen you do that, that's for sure.
You've seen me wreck a bunch of them too. Anyway, all right, back in. Look, it's out.
Not in bad shape.
Yeah, it's a little iffy here. Look at this. What the fuck happened there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's been leaking there for a minute.
Oh, it's been repaired. Ooh, hokey. Anyway, doesn't matter. AC's not going back in it. Nope, no one cares. Oop, look, True Coral circle track radiator. That's for like a Pinot. Look how narrow it is.
I was gonna say.
Yeah, that's a little Pinot style one. Got your trans cooler, which we'll put up because we're still going to use that. We're going to still use our radiator. We have wiring down here, which is for our lights, which we'll leave for now because the light wiring did not meet a horrible death. So we can probably tap into that inside after the switch, on the other side of the switch. So what we would do is put the power to the switch, really, and life will be much better. So we got that going for us. All right, so Burnsy's going to continue on with zero removal. Okay, go just set that baby back in there for now. We'll deal with that later. Obviously,
Okay.
You got a lot of wiring to take out, so got a long way to go. Get the rest of the hoses out. Get under the dash a little bit. Get
Yeah, I
those.
just haven't gotten that side yet.
Yeah, coming along.
Yep.